Can you clean an air conditioning unit while it is raining outside? Yes, but only under strict safety and drying precautions to avoid shock, damage, and poor results. When dealing with outdoor weather, you should first turn the system completely off at the thermostat and switch the outdoor unit breaker to the off position at the main panel to remove any chance of electrical contact. Avoid full cleaning in moderate or heavy rain because water reduces visibility and carries grit that can scratch fins. Instead, plan cleaning on the next dry day for best results. If only a light drizzle is present and you must proceed, use a weatherproof rain jacket and keep the unit covered with a tarp while you gently lift sections to access the coils, and never aim a high-pressure hose directly at electrical components or control boxes. For coil cleaning, use a soft brush and a manufacturer-approved coil cleaner applied gently. Allow the cleaner time to break down grime, then rinse with low pressure from the inside out to avoid pushing debris further into the fins. After any wet cleaning, remove standing water with absorbent towels and let the unit air dry for at least 4 hours in warm conditions or longer in cool conditions before restoring power. Keep the breaker off until you are certain all components and connectors are dry. If you encounter corrosion, water inside the control box, or exposed wiring, stop and call a licensed technician to inspect the system to prevent hazards and compressor damage. Common mistakes include restoring power too soon after cleaning, which risks short circuits and compressor failure. Always wait until the unit is fully dry and still off at the breaker before powering up. Another frequent issue is using a pressure washer or high-pressure hose directly on fins, which bends them and reduces airflow. Use low-pressure rinsing and a soft brush instead. A third concern is working in heavy rain, which reduces traction and visibility and increases electrocution risk. Postpone non-essential cleaning until dry weather or at minimum power down completely and dry thoroughly before re-energizing. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for timing-sensitive jobs like air conditioning service and offers a place for contractors to find work matching their skills. We host an active discussion community where homeowners and contractors share timing, weather, and safety tips for projects.